Welcome to Mr. Burton's class. Today we were working on adding rational numbers, specifically dealing with whole numbers and integers. So now let's go ahead and move on to an I do dealing with adding rational numbers, specifically integers and whole numbers. Let's get started. So the example that I have here says, use a number line to find each sum. So we're going to be combining these two values together. We don't know if they're positive or negative yet, but we know that sum is a keyword that lets us know to add together or combine. So let's continue. Jillian is playing a video game. In one scene, she loses 6.5 health points. I'm underlining it because it's a number. Usually the numbers are important. If not, then you could always cross through it afterward once you figure out that it's not important. But it's always good to go ahead and underline things that you think are important as you're reading. In the next scene, she gains 8 health points. All right. The question is asking us, what is the overall increase or decrease to Jillian's health points? All right, so when we're reading this, we see that in the first scene, she loses 6.5 health points. That can be represented, that loss can be represented as a minus 6.5. Now that we have that, now we need to see with the second scene. In the next scene, she gains 8 health points. So what we're seeing in the second scene, that is a plus 8. Then it says, what is the overall increase or decrease to Jillian's health points? So first thing I would like to do is I'd like to go ahead and change this to match the place value of the other number. Now, let's use the number line to answer this. Of course, we could line the numbers up and just subtract, but let's use the number line. So we are going to start at 0. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go backwards 6.5 because she lost 6.5 health points. So if each of these are a minus 2, then the lines in between would be 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7. And then in between there, we'd have the halfway points. So that's where we'd put the 0.5 and the negative 1.5, negative 2.5, negative 3.5, negative 4.5, negative 5.5, negative 6.5, negative 7.5, and negative 8.5. Now, what did our question ask us? The question asked us, what is the overall increase or decrease to Jillian's health points? Let's look at the first scene. So we need to go from 0 here, and we need to go backwards 6.5 to right here. And since we came from 0 back 6.5, right now, we are currently at 6.5. Negative 6.5. I should be clear. Currently, we are at negative 6.5. So now it says in the next scene, she gains 8 health points. So what this means is the first scene has already happened to where she lost the 6.5 health points. Now, from that negative 6.5 point, we need to go up 8. So what's the big difference? The big difference is we're not going to start at 0 and go up to 8. We're first going to start at 0, go back to a negative 6.5 to represent the first scene, and then go up 8 from that negative 6.5 to represent the second scene, and then record whether the overall increase or decrease to Jillian's health points, okay? So let's see. So we went back to 6.5, And so now, since we're going up 8, we could use the jump method to get there. All right, let's get started. We're starting at a negative 6.5, and we're jumping in the positive direction 8 times. So let's do this. Start at negative 6.5, and we're going positive. So one jump would now be a negative 5.5. 2 jumps is a negative 4.5. 3 jumps is a negative 3.5. 4 jumps is a negative 2.5. 5 jumps is a negative 1.5. 6 jumps is a negative 0.5. 7 jumps is a positive 0.5. And on our 8th jump, we have made it all the way to 1.5. All right, now that we've made the 8 jumps, we can see that now we went from a negative 6.5 to we are currently at 1.5. So let me write that out. First scene. Decrease, represented as D, of 6.5. Second scene. Increase of 8. Overall, increase of 1.5 health points. And that's an increase of 1.5 health points from when she started. So that's the overall increase. Thank you for joining me today for Mr. Burton's class, I Do. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos because they'll be coming very soon. Take care.